Single entry system, we are going to discuss about net worth method. It is also called comparison method or statement of affair method. Why they are calling it as net worth method? The word net worth means capital. Why they are calling it as comparison method? We are comparing two capital, namely opening capital and closing capital. So we are comparing opening and closing capital, so we are calling it as comparison method. We are using the capital, so we are calling it as net worth method. Why we are calling it as statement of affair method? Now we are going to discuss about that concept. Listen carefully. Statement of affairs method. Before learning about the meaning of statement of affair method, we should know the meaning of statement of affair. What is statement of affair? Statement of affairs. Statement of affair, it is resembles a balance sheet. So it's look like balance sheet. In double entry, we will prepare balance sheet. In single entry, we will prepare statement of affair. Point number 1. The statement of affair prepared to ascertain the capital, to prepare to find the capital. So it is prepared, statement of affair prepared to find capital of the business. Capital of the business. Normally the balance sheet will agree, will tally, but statement of affair will not agree. The balancing figure will be the capital. Yes, statement of affair, it is resembles a balance sheet. It is prepared to find capital. Third point, there are two statement of affair we have. Opening statement of affair, opening statement of affairs prepared to find opening capital. There are two type of statement of affair we have. One is opening statement of affair. Opening statement of affair prepared to find the opening capital. We have one more statement of affair called closing statement of affair. Closing statement of affairs prepared to find closing capital. So statement of affair prepared to find the capital. If we prepare opening statement of affair, we will find the opening capital. If we prepare closing statement of affair, prepared to find closing capital. If we want to find capital, we have to prepare statement of affair. What we'll do in the statement of affair, we'll apply the equation. What is the equation? So the accounting equation we will apply. We will apply accounting equation. We will apply accounting equation in the statement of affair. What is that equation? Total assets minus liability, total assets minus liability equal to capital. So what we'll do, we'll add all assets, we'll deduct all external liability, we will get what? Capital. So it may be a opening capital or it may be a closing capital. Okay students, now we'll see one problem. Look at the board. Following are the balances of Shanti as on 31st December 2018. Bills receivable 6,000, bills payable 4,000, machinery 60,000, furniture 10,000, creditor 25,000, stock 45,000, debtor 70,000, cash 4,000. So assets and liabilities are given. Prepare statement of affairs as on 31st December 2018 and calculate capital as on the date. Okay, now I am going to prepare statement of affair. Listen carefully. Statement of affair, it's like a balance sheet. It resembles a balance sheet. The heading goes like this: statement of affairs. Statement of affairs as on 31/12/2018. It has two sides. Left hand side, liabilities are recorded. Right hand side, assets are recorded. It's like a balance sheet. In balance sheet, left hand side we will record liability. On the other hand, on the other side we will record assets. Okay. Now bills receivable is a asset. Bills receivable is a asset. Value 6,000. Bills payable is a liability. Bills payable is a liability. The value 4,000. Next, machinery is a asset. Machinery is a asset. Value 60,000. Next, furniture is given. Value 10,000. Next, creditor given. It is a liability. Creditors given. It is a liability. Next, stock given. It is an asset. Next, debtors given. Debtor also termed as book debts. Listen carefully. Debtor also called as book debts given. Its value 70,000. Then cash. Cash 4,000. What we supposed to do? We have to apply the accounting equation. Add all assets, deduct all liability, you will get what? Capital. So we should add all assets. We should add all assets. 1,95,000. Total value of the asset 1,95,000. Bring it to the liability side. Then 1,95,000 minus 29,000. 6. So 1,66,000 is the balancing figure, that is capital. Balancing figure. This is capital. Students, statement of affair resembles a balance sheet. It's look like a balance sheet. It is prepared to find the capital. It may be a opening statement of affair or it may be a closing statement of affair. Opening statement of affair or beginning statement of affair prepared to find the capital in the beginning. Closing statement of affair prepared to find the capital at the end. If you want to find capital, we have to apply the accounting equation. What is the equation? Assets minus liability equal to capital. One more example we solved. Students, we learned the preparation of statement of affair. In next class, we will solve problem relating to net worth method with complete adjustments. Till then, bye and thank you.